Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is chapter 4 of our graphic design course. As we all know, schools are about to reopen and children are always excited to go back to school. So today I am going to show you how to create a cute and attractive name slip in just 5 minutes. Once your design is ready, simply print it on sticker paper and it's ready to use. The best part is that you can make this design using only your mobile phone. No laptop, no computer is required. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, click on Create, then go to the search bar and search for A2. Choose this template. Now, this page will open and we will customize it to create our name slip. First, go to Element section and choose a frame. You can select any frame you like. Just resize it according to the size of your name slip. Next, go to the search bar and type background for kids. Yes. One important thing to remember is that you should select the Photos tab, not graphics. Choose any background you like. Scroll down. I really like this one, so I will use it. Now, go to the elements. Open the Shapes section and select a square shape. Okay. Click on the box at the top, color box at the top. As you can see, Canva automatically shows the colors used in background image. I will choose this color because it matches the design perfectly. Now adjust the shape and reduce the transparency slightly and make the corner rounded for a softer look. Okay, now go to the text section and choose a nice text style. Edit the text and type your school name. I will type St. Michael's School. Reduce the font size a little. Place it at the top. St. Michael's School. Okay. Place it at the top and change the color, text color to match the overall design. I will choose black. Now it's time to add the student's name. Choose a subheading, and if you want, you can change the font style. I'm using the Alice font because it looks beautiful with the heading font and gives the design a clean, elegant look. We will edit it and write a name. Write name which name you want. I'm writing as Salman Khan. Reduce the size and just set. Okay. Just check it. Now let's duplicate the text by copying and pasting. Edit the text to add a class, subject, and roll number. Then arrange them neatly to keep the layout clean and organized. Next, go back to the element section. As you can see, Canva automatically suggests graphics that match the style and theme of your design. There are so many beautiful options to choose from. I will select a few cute elements and place them along the bottom border to make the name slip more attractive. If your child loves cars, animals, cartoons, or any other theme, simply search for in the elements section and add the graphics you like. You can fully customize the design based on your child's interest. I'm choosing car, mostly boys, especially kids like cars. So I just resize it and place it. In the bottom of the picture, I will paste it. Just resize it. Okay, it's perfect. Now it's time to add the photo. Go to the element section and choose a frame, resize it, and just set it here. Okay. Then open the upload section and upload your child's photo. If you haven't already, once it's uploaded, simply drag and drop the photo into the frame and it will fit automatically. For this tutorial, I will use a sample graphic instead of a real photo. Just yes, like this. You can easily place your child's picture inside the frame. Okay, looking good. And that's it. Our name slip is now complete. Now simply select the entire design. Tap on the three dots in the top corner and you will see the group option. Click on it to group all the elements together. Once everything is grouped, the text, images, and graphics will stay in place, making it much easier to move or resize the entire design without disturbing the layout. Now just copy and paste the group design and arrange multiple copies across the page. For the best results, make sure to print it on sticker paper. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy graphic design tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.